Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 launched May 2020. After 1 year, this phone is still worth it. 2021. Find out in this video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. Welcome back. So at first talk about the phone build quality. The smartphone built with Gorilla Glass 5 on the front, plastic back and plastic frame. Redmi Note 9 comes with 6.53-inch IPS LCD display with resolution 1080 x 2340 pixel with 395 ppi density or 450 nits, and this is 83.5 skin to body ratio. So overall, Redmi Note 9 display is average quality. So now talk about the OS. 2021, the smartphone running Miui 12.0.1.0 stable and Android 11. The smartphone using chipset MediaTek Helio G85 and CPU using octa-core 2x2.0 GHz and GPU using Mali G52. And this is 4GB RAM and 128GB ROM variant. So now talk about the gaming experience. MediaTek Helio G85 is the gaming processor, so you can play any types of game in a very high graphics and very high frame rate. My gaming experience is still pretty well. I don't face any types of problem to play PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty and any other game. So let's move on to the camera section. The smartphone comes with quad camera setup. 48 megapixel main lens with 1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide with 2.2 aperture, 2 megapixel macro with 2.4 aperture and 2 megapixel depth with 2.4 aperture with LED flash. So let's see some photo and video sample. Main camera, you can record highest 1080 30 fps video and you also record 120 fps slow-mo video. So overall, the smartphone video quality is good. So now talk about the photo quality. The smartphone, you can take a very good picture in a daylight, low light and also night, because this one also have a dedicated night mode. Overall, the smartphone photo quality is good, not bad. All the images you can take very good details and sharpness. Front, you can get 13 megapixel selfie camera with 2.3 aperture. So now talk about the security. You can get fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Both one is speed very fast and secure. The smartphone powered by 5020 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charger. So overall, you can get more than 1 day battery backup. Okay, this is all about Redmi Note 9 2021 full review. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you on some other video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.